Coral reefs, the rainforests of the sea, are in peril. French Polynesia's vibrant underwater worlds face threats from climate change to pollution. But hope isn't lost. Conservationists are fighting back with innovative strategies and a community-driven approach. The Coral Gardeners Initiative is pioneering reef restoration. By involving tourists in Adopt a Coral programs, they're not just raising awareness, but also crucial funds. It's a symbiotic relationship where conservation meets tourism, and everyone plays a part in nurturing marine life. Climate change is the biggest threat to our reefs, said a coral gardener scientist. Rising sea temperatures and acidification lead to coral bleaching, stripping away the algae that give corals life and color. It's a dire situation, but not irreversible. Sedimentation and pollution, the silent killers, are being tackled head-on. Reforestation efforts reduce runoff, maintaining water clarity essential for coral health. It's a global effort, with studies showing nearly 85% of coastal areas affecting reefs with sediment. Coral bleaching isn't just a loss of color, it's a loss of life. The long-term effects are devastating, from biodiversity loss to economic impacts on tourism and fisheries. Recovery takes decades, but with careful stewardship, we can turn the tide. Tourists are now guardians of the reefs. Through Adopt a Coral, they contribute to coral nurseries, fostering new life beneath the waves. It's a hands-on conservation effort that brings the beauty of marine stewardship to the surface. Reforestation isn't just about trees, it's about protecting our oceans. By stabilizing soil on land, we prevent harmful sediments from smothering coral reefs. It's a fight against climate change that starts with the roots. Women are the unsung heroes of conservation. IUCN Oceania is empowering them to lead, recognizing their vital role in environmental stewardship. With women at the helm, conservation efforts are more inclusive and effective. Local communities hold the key to sustainable change. By empowering them with education and resources, we're not just protecting reefs, we're preserving a way of life. It's a legacy of stewardship that will endure for generations. Gender equality is not just a moral imperative, it's an environmental one. Women bring unique perspectives to conservation, leading to more innovative and sustainable practices. It's about balancing the scales for a healthier planet. Ecotourism in French Polynesia isn't just a holiday, it's a chance to make a difference. Every snorkel, every dive, every moment spent in these waters can contribute to their preservation. It's a journey of discovery, and a mission to save one of the world's most precious ecosystems. Book with a French Polynesia specialist at Far and Away Adventures.